Roof India is absolutely very important. You get to showcase your brands. It has a very good footfall. Top class people attend in this arena, and so I feel it's a very good platform to showcase the brand.
Roof India is a very good exhibition where we are getting a lot of footfalls, and we feel happy of participating over here.
Generally, this is to maintain the brand image. Elara as a brand reasonably well established. So what we are basically trying to do is that we are just trying to make sure that the curve doesn't go down.
We have a good response. We are into, we wanted to expand our business by a pan-India basis. Definitely helps us to market our product.
It's a place where we feel that we are bringing a product of interest and a product of need. Roof India is a bit different compared to others because our main focus area is rooftop solar. And in this exhibition, we are able to meet people who are more concentrating on that aspect of roof.
Thing that I like about Roof India is it's like a laser targeted market for us because we are in the roofing segment and all the customers coming here are exclusively looking for the roofing products.
We do not see any other or any better exhibition to exhibit or to showcase our products than Roof India.
So we get a good exposure. There are a lot of architects, a lot of bungalow owners, resort owners come to see products for their use. So it gives a good exposure for our brand.
So all your requirements for roof is fulfilled at one place. So I think so this is a good platform where a lot of products can be displayed.
लोग विजिटर्स आते हैं, कहीं कहीं पे हमारी पहुंच नहीं है तो वहाँ के लोग आते हैं, देखते हैं प्रोडक्ट की विजिबिलिटी है और उनको कुछ और भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाता है तो उससे ऑटोमेटिकली बिजनेस बढ़ता है.
Every year we are participating, so lots of other competitions and other products are coming, and we also get to understand the markets and the consumers what they need and want. So this is a perfect platform for us for roofing business.
Roof India is really nice because you only have the real customers here.
It's a good blend of distribution, architects, customers, and that's what a brand looks for.
We can meet a lot of potential customers, and our existing customers came to visit us and then tighten the relationship and foster more future potential relationship as well.
A lot of new companies has participated this time, which I never saw earlier.
So any exhibition gives a brand presence. This is majorly for brand recall rather than gathering new customers.
This is a nice platform to interact with a lot of stakeholders who are in this industry. This kind of platforms help us to reach to new customers, influencers who are very much important in our business to grow.
It's more of a marketing, technical discussion, knowing people from outside the industry as well.
As a company, this is our first participation in this exhibition, and I'm quite excited. There was a beautiful footfall yesterday, and I can see today also
that we met a lot of contacts, a lot of customers, a lot of affiliates, a lot of potential partners here. So it's very helpful.
It's well organized. It's a systematic platform to project your product.
Roof India, we have a good, quite a good audience, and our experience like from yesterday, today it's houseful, and I really hope next year we participating with more enthusiasm, and this will continue to grow.
I'm feeling very happy. We are having good contacts over here and good connections.
You will came across a lot of different buyers or users or the applicators, and even we also came to know many other companies and system. So it is always helpful.
The exhibitions are helpful to network, to get new customers, to let them know about the products.
We are trying to understand the requirement of customer and trying to fulfill.
Tata is a good brand, but every company has to have the market. So Roof India is helping us to create a market awareness. We are getting a lead from the market, and we are getting good customer visits from this, and this is also helping us to create our brand awareness.
Whoever don't know about this industry much, but they want to come up with the plants, warehouses, or whatever their end users requirement may be, so they can get the idea like what are the options available in the market.
पैन इंडिया लेवल ये एग्जीबिशन होती है और इसको बहुत फ़ायदा मिलता है. इसको ऑल ओवर इंडिया में जितने भी क्लाइंटेज है जो रूफिंग से रिलेटेड काम कर रहे हैं उनको surely आना चाहिए.
We have participated. This is third time we are participating in Roof India. First Roof India in Mumbai. Even now also I am getting business from that exhibition.
In terms of steel,
roofing and PB is one of the biggest exhibition. Many people has visited our stall. There's a good response from the team.
We have participated in Roof India multiple times, and in future also we like to participate. It's a good show. We meet new people, we display our products, and it's good for marketing, it's good for brand image.
मल्टीनेशनल ब्रांड्स आ रही है, ठीक है, अलग अलग सिटी से, अलग अलग स्टेट से अलग अलग क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं, विजिट कर रहे हैं, नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स जानने के लिए हमें मिल रहे हैं, नए नए जो भी कंसेप्ट आ रहा है, नया नया टेक्नोलॉजी क्या आ रहा है, सारी डिमांड जो है कस्टमर की हम लोग इजीली जान सकते हैं और उसको अच्छे से हम लोग उसको प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं.
तो ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे हम लोग अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का मार्केटिंग बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हैं, हमारे नए प्रोडक्ट्स को लॉन्च कर सकते हैं.
The first day was excellent actually. We received a lot of leads.
बिजनेस भी अच्छा यहाँ से हम लोग जनरेट कर पाते हैं, काफ़ी लीड्स मिलती है.
So we can get a knowledge about what the companies are doing and what we can offer and what we can best do for our industry.
Wonderful. I'm very happy and look forward to participating in your exhibitions once more.
People know about our presence, know about our products, what new innovations are happening.
Roof India helps us connect to new customers who doesn't know this kind of a product is available for their solution.
We're getting good leads regarding people who do the application part.
For the past 3 years, we are continuously attending this Roof India exhibition, and it has been a very wonderful experience.
Yeah, it's our first time we're participating in Roof India now, and it's been a good show till now, and we met some good potential customers.
रूफ इंडिया की वजह से हम लोग इंडिया और इंडिया के बाहर भी रिकॉग्नाइज हो रहे हैं.
We get to interact with specific industry people who we are targeting.
First time we are launching this particular product out here in Roof India, and obviously promoting a product in this particular platform is always a advantage. नेटवर्क ग्रो होता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, काफ़ी सारी अच्छी इंक्वायरीज आते हैं, तो एंटायर 1 साल तक वो इंक्वायरीज पे हम काम करते हैं, तो बिजनेस अच्छा ग्रो होता है. दिस इज फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन वी आर डूइंग विद रूफ इंडिया, एंड we are doing this for our brand presence.
We find this to be like having a targeted audience. So the people who come here are like, they clearly know what the product they want. They ask very technical questions, which we feel like we are attracting a targeted audience. So that way it's better.
It is good compared to other exhibition. We are getting nice inquiries and customers are really focusing on the product.
यहाँ से बहुत सारी लीड्स क्रिएट होती है, कुछ डीलर साइड और एंड कस्टमर्स भी काफ़ी सारे आए.
Last 2 days was extremely good. This is the first time we have participated in Roof India, and we have introduced one new product to the Pan India.
Basically focus on the roofing application. So because of the name, a lot of people have come who have been very specific to the roof.
Pulling the crowd so much even on a third day is excellent. So all the thanks to Roof India team.
To be honest, this year we are very satisfied. So definitely it's a one window solution. We meet our old customer as well as new inquiry. So it's a fruitful exhibition for us.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India. Do